Here is our next strategy, gap strategy. This is very common in live market, and we will try to take a day trading strategy out of this. Gap up and gap down are very common in trading. Whenever this happens, there is a high probability that the gap will be filled, mostly immediately, but sometimes it takes weeks to fill. Trade accordingly. Market also tend to become sideways after a big gap up or gap down. Not always, there is a possibility. So what we have learned, and I have already discussed this with you also, never take your trades immediately after gap up or gap down, because we have to wait for the candle confirmations and the market to settle down and see what is happening, and after that we can take a trade. So let's see in the next page what is there. Okay, here is the chart explanation for gap strategy. Bank Nifty indices 3 minutes time frame. Here market gave a gap up and it started going in sideways. Somewhere around 2:30 market actually came down, the price action candles came down to fill the exact gap, took support from the CPR and again started its upward journey. Sometimes there will be situations when you know the setup, you know what market will do, still you will be in a situation when you will not be able to take a trade. You know the information, you know the knowledge that this gap can be filled, but here in minutes, in few minutes actually the trade got over. It is not necessary to take every trade. There was a reason why I attached this chart, because every time you cannot trade even if you know the trade setups. So it is okay to let it go. Market will come every day with opportunity. If we know and we have the knowledge, we will be able to see the opportunities like this one. Today you know that this gap can be filled. If you are not able to take trades like this on a certain day, you already know the concept. Some other day you will get more, we will get a bigger gap up and a better entry. So it is absolutely okay to miss trades even if you know them.